Microbiome technologies have been increasingly leading industry-level transformations across the world. Frost & Sullivan firmly believes that the growing research across microbiome science will lead to several new developments in 2019. Thank you for joining us today on another installment of Frost & Sullivan's exciting podcast series highlighting key disruptive technologies, economic trends, new business models, industry convergence, emerging geographies, and much more. I'm Vandana, a research analyst with Frost & Sullivan, and today we will be talking about how microbiome technologies can lead industry disruptions across 4 important sectors. Let's talk about sector number 1, the healthcare sector. Now, OTC probiotics have been around for a while and have been impacting the gut health quite significantly. However, what 2019 is likely to witness is the development of new microbiome therapies. Seres Therapeutics and Rebiotix are 2 such companies that are looking at phase 3 orphan drug candidates for the prevention of CDI infection, and industry experts are likely to watch the space very closely for upcoming regulatory approvals. Iyer is another company that's looking to engineer skin microbiome to express therapeutic proteins and enhance skin health. That's also a very interesting area, and that's likely to lead to new product innovations in the long-term future. Let's move on to the next sector, the skincare industry. Now, microbiomes have been deeply impacting skin health not only through the use of oral probiotic supplements but also through personal skincare formulations that leverage the incorporation of probiotic, prebiotic, and targeted antimicrobial technologies. There are several European skincare companies that are looking to introduce probiotics in novel skincare formulations that are sure to give a major competition for luxury cosmetic brands that have been around for a while. It's definitely going to be very interesting to see how these competitors pan out in the next few years and how they lead a new product formulation and industry level disruptions. Moving on to the next space, we're looking at the F&B industry now. Consumers are increasingly aware of the health benefits that can be derived from microbiome technologies. BC30 from Ganadin has been incorporated into a wide range of sweet and savory food products and have been helping to improve the gut health as a whole. But what many people may not know is that microbiome technologies have also begun to impact mental health and can help alleviate mood disorders. Now, this is very early stage research, but then there's evidence that shows that even non-live probiotics can be used to derive targeted health benefits, and that's likely to translate into new product development in the very long-term future. Now, finally, moving on to the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning industry. This is the industry that's been impacted very recently by the microbiome wave. There are companies such as Better Air that's looking to infuse the indoor environment with a steady flow of microbes through a regulated technology, and that's likely to decrease the propensity of asthma and allergic disorders in indoor air settings and improve the indoor air quality overall. While there are very few players in this area, this technology is likely to catch up in the coming years and is likely to lead to new product innovations in the mid to long-term future. It is quite evident from the above facts that the microbes are here to stay. Frost & Sullivan's research will provide detailed insights as to how these tiny microorganisms can lead industry-level disruptions across the world. On that note, I hope you enjoyed this session. Please join us for future podcasts and become a member of our Leadership Council by emailing us at digital@frost.com. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.